How often do you take self-portraits? I realized after looking through all of my archives for pictures of myself, I really don't take self-portraits that often anymore. I took these back in 2019, and I cannot believe it's been almost 4 years ago. That's just like mind-blowing to me. But yeah, crazy. I wanted to talk a little bit about this healing panel. I made another video about it, about just how amazing it is, and somebody asked a question on that video, and I thought that since I have been using it for a while, I would talk a bit about it. So you can see I have done some healing here. It's not perfect. I just kind of did this super quick. You can see I have the show overlay toggled on. Now, when I'm working, I have it off. This area right here is not good. We're going to leave it. If you toggle the show overlay on, you can see exactly where you have healed, and you have access to the areas, like each individual spot of healing. You have access to that. You can see this one is selected. I can move it. I can even switch it if so for instance, this one right here, I could switch it from clone to heal, turn it off, and you can see that fixed that area that I wasn't happy with. You can do that. So you can see this is the content aware, this is heal, and this is clone. And another thing that you can do is, if you have it selected and you hit delete on your keyboard, you can delete it altogether. So if you want to reset healing for your whole image, you can use this right here. You can toggle visibility so you can see before and after healing. We're going to turn that off. And if you want to delete, you can highlight it, hit delete on your keyboard, and remove it completely. You don't have to reset healing for the whole image. Now, if you are working on your image and you're just like going along, you can Control Z, and you can actually use Control Z while you're in the process of your healing to undo. But you can also do it that way. Yeah, that's just how you can edit your healing, like fine tune it. And yeah, I kind of just learned all of this by working with it. But yeah, that's how you edit and edit your healing and your spots and all of that. There's more, like so much more in this panel that I want to talk about, but I'm just going to keep it super short and super to the point. Like, I think this was short. This was short for me. Yeah, so I hope this was helpful. If you could like my video, subscribe, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.